Ladies and gentlemen, YouTube world, what's going on? I am Dre.
I am Dave.
It's the very first video to do tech unboxings, reviews, vlogs, podcasts, gaming, but with a twist. You know, we're gonna do a little,
funny jokes. You know, laughing. Make you guys laugh at the same time. You guys be learning how to build computers, gaming wise, what kind of games you guys like to play, all that stuff. We're gonna go through everything.
So we're gonna start off the channel by doing a $400 build. You can do gaming on this? What do you think?
Yeah, it'd be alright. I mean, this is SSD in here.
SSD, okay.
How many gigabytes of RAM?
16 gigs.
16 gigs. You know, what kind of processor?
So we got an AMD Ryzen 5 2400G. So we have a 500 watt Thermaltake power supply. Right here we have the ASRock B450M Pro 4 AMD. What a mouthful.
That was a whole bunch of nonsense.
That was a mouthful. This guy is not, Yeah, in this case right here is a Thermaltake. I just noticed got two Thermaltakes, alright? There you go. Thermaltake, hopefully, shout out to us, you can sponsor us, please. Please. It's a Thermaltake Versa H15, not that expensive either, nice little cheap case, but it looks okay. What we have here also too is a 23-inch display monitor, IPS, 1920 by 1080. Refresh rate is 75 Hertz, so it's more than 60 Hertz. Just be careful playing on it because it might hurt.
That was so corny.
So we're gonna film each other, that's gay.
You wanna film me, bro? You wanna film me?
Like I always tell Dave, it's nothing like a fresh box. Okay. In order to make a computer, what are the parts that we need?
And everything you just named.
This. What are you gonna be in? You need a CPU, right? You got the RAM. You have a motherboard, right? What number is that?
4.
I was like 4, that's 3.
Hold on.
What? CPU, RAM, motherboard, power supply. Obviously you need storage. You need someone to put the Windows or Mac or whatever you want to do, or Hackintosh. Who said that?
Who said that? Who's doing that?
And of course you need everything to put inside. Oh, you gotta this. Bruh.
If you guys need a computer, come to us.
Exactly.
We got you.
And if they don't come to us, they can go tech themselves.
Go tech yourself. Let's build it. Let's do it.
Alright.
Get into this.
I have one question though. Did you ever RAM your hard drive?
That's what she said.
Let's get this.
How do you open this shit up?
There's tape, bro. Right.
So tight. There you go.
Ooh, that's nice and smooth. Then we got 2 8 gigabytes. Wait, 2 4 gigabytes of RAM.
There you go. Thermaltake 500 watt power supply. Okay, let's see how long it takes. Let's see how long it takes to open it.
Come on, bro. You didn't. Yeah.
It's like taking panties off a girl.
Really? That was tight.
Power cord. That's typical books and shit. This is not candy, so don't eat. So this is a non-module power supply. That means that all the cords are built into this. As long as you get an 80 plus bronze, I believe, right? It says 80 plus on the top and the front, on the top and the front, on the top and the front. Yep, 80 plus, yeah, 80 plus. So you have the normal cords here, normal plugs. Wow. This tells you exactly how to install the RAM, whatever.
There you go.
The I/O shield, alright. Some SATA cords without plugging the SSD. Oh, what is this? Have you seen this in a long time? What is this?
It's been years. I
don't know what this crap is. Manual. I just read it right now. So this sexy thing right here is the motherboard. Now before you take it out, you have to make sure you ground yourself. Make sure there's no static. You gotta be very delicate with these things, okay? They have a lot of transistors and all that crap on the bottom and stuff like that.
USB 3.0s, some audios. We got VGA, HDMI,
DVI. Oh, it has USB Type-C in here too.
Yep.
And this is the CPU we will be installing, the AMD Ryzen 5 2400G.
Goes right there. And then we have the AMD fan.
So you got a mic, you can put a mic here, the headphones, you have a reset button, the power button, a USB 3 and a USB 2. It comes with one fan, this is all the front I/O. I have the hard drives you could put in here. And it's not that bad, I mean $40, pretty good. Gets the job done.
Gets the job done.
Like David, he's cheap. Ladies, $40.
Get the job done.